Good morning, you guys. So I'm sorry that I haven't been consistent on my videos, but today I have to ship out some orders, which I'm gonna show you guys. And what I'm gonna do also is pack up my soaps in soap boxes so I can ship off my orders today. I'm not shipping up every single order that's on my Shopify, but I am shipping a few. Yeah, y'all, I'm so sorry. It's just my business has been growing, which I am so blessed for one, and for two, it's just I'm just trying to take it one step at a time, y'all. I'm just trying to take it one step at a time. But yeah, I have to ship off some orders today. Hopefully I can get through it, and I have to upload some content. I just have so much to do today. I have my daughter with me, so it's gonna be slowing me down to get things done that I really do need to get done. I have a lot in stores, and excuse my nail broke, so excuse that. But yeah, you guys, so I'm gonna take you guys on this journey with me today, getting things done. What I have done today so far was get my butters ready, which I'm gonna show you guys right now. These are my butters right here. I have to put the tops. I like to let them sit overnight before I ship off any of my butters, because I want to make sure that it's hard. Normally with my butters, when I make them, they are always soft when I make them, and then it takes about probably like 5 hours to get hard. But yes, these are my butters. I'm not sure if it's gonna zoom in. Okay, so these are my butters right here. This is a birthday cake right here. This is my favorite. I'm not sure why is it not zooming in on it. This is birthday cake. I sell sugar cookie. I have strawberry. Yeah, so I have all of these, which I love. So, and then I also have my big 8 ounce, which is my best seller. Also, the birthday cake is the #1 seller so far. That and my Fruit Loop, and I have Bahama Fizz. Those 3 right there sell out so much. I have new butters coming probably this week or next week. I'm not sure when is it coming exactly, but it will be coming. But all these butters are going out most likely today. I'm not sure. Sometimes I make too much, but yeah. And then I also have this that I am going to announce on my Instagram, because I did get a few followers that were asking me, hey, can you sell like sample sizes so we could just try out the butter? So that's no problem, because I normally would have a few left with my body butters, so I could just put them in here. So, you know, make extra money that way. So yes, these are my butters. Zoom out, but I use Shippo, which is probably gonna show up. I use Shippo to ship off my orders, and I get my orders right here. Where's the mouse? Oh, there it goes. All right, so yeah, I ship it that way. And then this is the printer that I'm using right here. It's the Label Range LP620 label printer. I think I got it for like $100 on Amazon. I'm not sure. I got it probably like 3-4 months ago, so it's been a while since I had that printer. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I print out these orders. So yeah, I'll just show you guys like when I print it. But yes, I have a few customers that use UPS, Priority, UPS. It says UPS ground, but sometimes it doesn't automatically change it, so I will have to go ahead and change it. But yes, and then I already have my boxes that I normally use. I already have that set up, so I can just go ahead and just print it out, so I don't have to waste no time. And I already automatically put how many pounds each item is gonna weigh. Like this one is gonna weigh, is it showing you guys? Like this one is gonna weigh almost 4 pounds basically. And then yeah, they chose UPS, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just print out these orders. All right, so this is how it looks, just like this. It will show how much labels I purchased, which I just purchased 12 Priority, 10 First Class, and then 2 UPS ground. And then I'll just go ahead and just print it out. Okay, so then I will get what I do is I normally print out my packing slip first, and then I print out my shipping label. So I'm gonna go ahead and print out my shipping label, I mean my packing slips, I'm sorry, and then print out my shipping label so it could just be in order. So here goes my packing slips. They're printing out, which I already print out also first batch, but this is my second batch that I'm showing you guys that I'm ordering. I mean, that I'm printing, I'm sorry, right now. And then, like I said, the shipment labels, I'm gonna go ahead and choose that option for that to print out also. So I have everything, my labels, everything are printed, and yes, I put everything in order so I can go ahead and just ship these off. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to pack them. I might not show you guys it because in my garage it's pretty dark and it's horrible lighting, so I might not show you guys at all. There go my daughter right there being nosy. But yes, so I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to pack these orders, and I'll show you guys when I'm done with all my orders and everything. All right, so I'm done with my orders. I separated, this is UPS on this side, and then all of this is the post office stuff that I have right here. So yeah, I separated them. I put the post office, which is probably like 50, I think that's right there. And then I have probably like, I don't know, probably 6 items going to UPS. So yeah, that sums it up. I'm not taking my packages to the post office. My boyfriend's gonna take them for me. But yeah, so that sums it up. That's how I normally package my items. I print out my labels and my ship labels together, my package slips and my ship labels together, and then that's about it. But thank you for watching. Hope you like and subscribe. Bye.